welcome to Shiksha Informatives. Today in our channel we are going to learn two-letter words in Hindi. Let's get started. So the first word we are going to see is kal. We are going to learn the English meanings also for better understanding. The meaning of kal is tomorrow. Second word is tak. Till. Up. You. Tap. Meditation. Tan. Body. Null. Tap. Ek. One. Per. On. Pal. Second. Arm. Mango. Kar. Do. Oon. Would. Mat. No. Chal. Walk. Come. Less. Now we will repeat all the words once again. Kal. Tomorrow. Tak. Till. Up. You. Tap. Meditation. Tan. Body. Null. Tap. Ek. One. Per. On. Pal. Second. Arm. Mango. Kar. Do. Oon. Wool. Mat. No. Chal. Walk. Come. Less. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Shiksha Informatives. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified for our upcoming videos. Thank you.